Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this video here I'll be showing you how to replace the air filter on a 3rd generation Honda Fit equipped with a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder. This is a 2015 model. A dirty air filter will cause a decrease in performance, poor fuel economy, hard starting, and delayed throttle response. An air filter should be changed every 32,000 kilometers or 20,000 miles, but this will depend what type of conditions your vehicle is exposed to. More dirt and dust in the air will require a shorter interval. Open the hood and the airbox will be located on the right side next to the battery. There are 4 clips in total, 2 at the rear on the sides and 2 directly on the front. Lift up the cover and remove it from the rubber duct on the rear. This part isn't needed, but you can unclip the sensor. I did this for a better viewing angle. The tab is depressed and then pull the connector straight off. Remove the old air filter, and as you can see it's quite dirty. If the airbox is dirty, then I would recommend cleaning it as well. Install the new air filter and ensure it's properly seated. The filter only installs in one orientation. There is an alignment tab at the bottom. Reinstall the cover. Lock those clips into place. Finally, plug in the electrical connector and you're officially done. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.